Hi guys, this is Tess. I'm trying to make a video kung paano ko dinecorate yung cupcakes na ginawa ko for Kay's birthday, yung dinala niya sa school kasi maraming humingi sa akin ng recipe sa Facebook, yung mga friends sa Facebook, and they were asking kung paano ko ginawa yung decoration. Now, siguro mas madali na ipakita ko na lang through video kesa type ko kasi mahirap i-explain. So, I already made the cupcakes. And meron na rin akong icing na ginawa, which yung recipe and procedure can be seen sa likod ng Hershey's Cocoa Can. So, nandito yung recipe for the cupcake at saka yung sa icing. Now, kung kailangan nyo yung recipe or if you want the recipe, you can just send me a message through FB and I will send the recipe to you. Madali lang siyang gawin at I know kayang-kaya nyo yan. Now, for the icing, I use, for decorating pala, I'm using the star tip. Ngayon, yung star tip, dalawa kasing klase. I have two here. One is bigger and the other one smaller. So, for this, I'm using the smaller one. Nailagay ko na yung icing sa loob ng piping bag. At ngayon, we're ready to decorate. So, ito yung cupcake na ginawa ko, which is cool na siya. So, totally cool, hindi na siya hot. At kailan kasi very cool siya dahil may butter yung icing natin. Pagka mainit yung cupcake, ang mangyayari niya, malulusaw yung ating icing. So, it has to be really cool before you ice. Okay, so, pag mag-decorate ka, you have to start in the middle ng cupcake. Using the small star tip, mag-start tayo sa middle. Press mo lang siya hanggang lumabas yung icing sa dulo, and then you pull para meron siyang tip. And then, gagawin mo lang siya ulit, paulit-ulit, paikot doon sa nauna mong ginawa. You press, and then you pull, press, and pull. Paikot siya hanggang mapuno mo yung surface ng cupcake mo. Napakadali lang nitong gawin, kaya-kaya nyo. I'm sure okay siyang activity for kids. Lalo doon sa mga may anak na mahilig makialam sa kusina, kagaya ng mga anak ko. So, ang dali-dali niyang gawin. It's very fun to do. So, press and pull lang siya. Nakikita nyo parang may spike siya. So, maganda yung kinakalabasan niya. Hanggang mapuno siya pati sa sides, lagay nyo. Press and pull, press and pull. As simple as that. Yan. So, kung lahat ng surface meron na, pwede mo na siyang i-serve as is kung medyo adults yung kakain. Pero kung mga kids, syempre gusto nila mas colorful yung pinakain nila. So, mas maganda siguro kung lalagyan mo siya ng candy sprinkles on top. I try to coordinate kung ano yung ginagamit ko na sprinkles doon sa cupcake liner ko, but since it's red and I don't have red sprinkles, I'm gonna use orange na lang. So, sprinkle mo lang on top. There you go. Tapos na. I also made others here. So, mana-decorate na ako here. And I also made some with cream cheese and the regular chocolate. This one kasi is dark chocolate. Okay. So, ganun lang kasimple. Dali-daling gawin. I'm sure kaya-kaya niyong gawin. Okay? Happy baking, everyone. Enjoy.